Okay class, so today we are going to be focusing on writing our letters, and we're going to be drawing pictures with our letters today. So I am going to show you all in a little example first, and then we're all going to do it as a class. Okay, so what this activity is going to look like is first we're going to take a letter. So let's do T, for example. So what you're going to do is you're going to write an uppercase T and a lowercase t on your whiteboard, like this. And then as we're thinking about the t sound, we're gonna think of something that starts with T. So maybe an animal, maybe an object. You could even do a friend, maybe that their name starts with T, and you could draw them. So for my example, I'm gonna draw a turtle. Okay, and then once we have our answers, we'll hold our boards up. Okay, so number one, we're writing the uppercase and the lowercase, and then we're drawing a picture that starts with the initial letter sound. So if I have T, I would draw a turtle, because T, turtle. Okay, so now we can get started. So I do have tracing paper for all of you as well to practice first before writing on your whiteboard. And then once you have it traced, one up here, one down here, you can copy that over onto your whiteboard and then draw your picture. Okay, so right now, please take out your whiteboards, take out your markers, just need one dry erase marker, and then turn on your listening ears. So we're making sure that we're listening to all directions, and we're gonna go through it all together. Okay, so first, we are going to look at the letter A. Before that, let's divide our whiteboards into 3 equal parts. For our 3 letters we're gonna focus on today, A, B, and C. So everyone's board should look like mine. Let me see your boards. Everyone hold their board up. Perfect. Okay, so like I said, we're gonna work with A, which is one of our favorite letters. So we're going to write the letter A. So first I want you to go on your papers with your pencils and trace an uppercase A and a lowercase a. So go ahead and do that now, quietly and independently. I'll know when you're done when you have your finger on your nose. Okay, I see all of our students are done. So once we're done, we're gonna copy that uppercase and lowercase letter onto our boards. So we may write it at the top. So mine looks like this. Everyone see that? Mine looks like this. At the top. So mine looks like this. Everyone see that? Mine looks like this. And once we have that written down, I want you all to think of a letter, or I'm sorry, a word that starts with A. And if you can't think of one, you can draw an apple, because A is apple. So right now, I either want you to draw an apple or another word you can think of that starts with A. So you're thinking of that sound. Let's all take a few seconds to draw our picture. We'll wait for everyone to be done. So we're drawing an apple or something else that starts with A. So one example could be ant. I'll give you all about 4 more seconds to draw this. Okay, when you're done, hold your boards up, please. Good job. Okay, let's move on to our next letter. So our next letter is B. So on your tracing paper, please copy down a uppercase B and a lowercase b. I'm gonna walk around and see that everyone is tracing their uppercase and lowercase b's. And I'll know when you're done when you have your hand on top of your head. Okay, I see most of our students are done. So that all looks good. So now we're gonna do the same thing we did for A. So for B, we can either draw a butterfly, or we can think of another word that starts with that b sound. Okay, so either draw a butterfly or you can create your own. And once we're done, we're gonna hold our whiteboards up again. Make sure you copy down your uppercase B and lowercase b in the middle portion of your whiteboard like I did. If anyone needs an example, it's right here. So we're either drawing a butterfly or something else that may start with B. When we're done with this, hold our whiteboards up. Good, Owen. I see that you drew a different picture than a butterfly, and that looks like, what is that picture of?
It's a baseball bat.
So that's a bat. Good job. Okay. Everyone did very, very good on that one. Good job. Okay, last one. We're going to look at our C. So on your tracing paper with a pencil, copy your your uppercase and your lowercase c. Good. I'll know when you're done when you have both of your hands on your ears. Good. Okay, so now that we've completed that, let's go to our whiteboards. And I'm going to copy an uppercase C and a lowercase c very neatly at the top. Just like this. I'm looking around. Everyone seems to look good. Can I see everyone's boards? Awesome. Okay, so now we're either going to draw a cake, or we can think of another word that starts with C. So we're thinking of that k sound. So either a cake or another word that may start with C. You could even do a cupcake. So once you're done, I'll know when you're done when you hold your boards up. Take your time. Okay, looks like we're done. Owen, can you tell me what you drew?
I drew a candle.
Candle. Can you make that sound for me?
Candle.
Good. Good job. Okay, everyone, that's the end of our activity today, and we're going to be moving on to our next activity now.